But as we were saying, when we get into the show, the competition, who is better? You know, nowadays people compete amongst their own blood brothers and sisters as to who got more money, who is more successful in this dunya. Yeah. Who got the biggest homes? Who got the best motor cars? People compete with their own blood brothers and sisters that they played with and eat with when they were little babies and kids. And they played and they loved each other. And they shared their food with each other. Could you contemplate a little bit in the days when you were little kids? 3 and 4 years, you will share the same food that your mom and dad would give to you. You would share a piece of the meat and the rice and the whatever and the bread. And then when you get older, you don't share with them, you steal from them. Astaghfirullah. The same brothers and sisters. Right, Brother Fahad? When you're kids, you want to share. You want to love. You want to share love. When you get older, the very same brothers and sisters that you would share your food and bread and rice and cake and ice cream with, you will fight them for properties and land. You will compete with them as to, I am better than you and I am more successful than you. And you will put them down, rob them, steal from them, just use them as steps to climb up and then say, I am successful and a'udhu billah. Don't you see that around, my brothers and sisters? If you don't see it, travel and you will see it.